Are you trying to decide between Standard Notes and Notesnook? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular note taking tools. Both of these apps help you organize your thoughts and ideas. They focus on keeping your notes safe and accessible, but they have different features that might suit different users. Let's start with Standard Notes. This tool is all about simplicity and security. It offers end to end encryption to keep your notes private. You can access your notes from any device, and it has a clean, easy to use interface. Plus, it offers various extensions for added features like themes and editors. Now, let's talk about Notesnook. This app also emphasizes security but adds collaboration features. You can share notes with others and work together in real time. Notesnook has a more colorful design and offers a rich text editor, making it easier to format your notes. It's a great choice if you like to customize your writing. So, what are the main differences? Standard Notes is perfect for solo users who prioritize security and simplicity. On the other hand, Notesnook is better for those who want to collaborate and enjoy a more vibrant interface. When it comes to features, Standard Notes shines with its encryption and minimalism. Notesnook stands out with its collaborative tools and formatting options. In terms of pricing, both offer free versions, but they also have premium plans for advanced features. Generally, Standard Notes is more straightforward, while Notesnook provides more options for customization. In the end, if you want a secure and simple note taking experience, go with Standard Notes. But if you need collaboration and a bit more flair, Notesnook is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.